have already studied classification of hydrocarbons. They are broadly classified into two groups as open chain hydrocarbons and closed chain hydrocarbons. Open chain hydrocarbons are further classified as saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. We have already studied about open chain saturated hydrocarbons. Today we will learn about open chain unsaturated hydrocarbons. These open chain unsaturated hydrocarbons are further divided into two groups, alkenes and alkynes. Let us first discuss what do you mean by unsaturated hydrocarbons. A hydrocarbon in which the two carbon atoms are connected by a double bond or a triple bond is called as unsaturated hydrocarbon. We know in saturated hydrocarbons we observe presence of only single bonds in the entire structure. These open-chain unsaturated hydrocarbons are further divided into two groups, alkenes and alkynes, depending upon type of bond present between two carbon atoms. Let us see first what are alkenes. Alkenes are open-chain hydrocarbons in which there is a presence of double bond between any two carbon atoms. One example is shown here. You can see presence of double bond between two carbon atoms. Now, second type of unsaturated hydrocarbons is alkynes. Alkynes are open chain hydrocarbons in which presence of triple bond is observed between any two carbon atoms. One example is given here. You can see clearly there is a presence of triple bond between two carbon atoms. Let us study more about alkenes. As discussed before, alkenes are open chain hydrocarbons in which we observe presence of double bonds between two carbon atoms. Let us study first example of alkene series. There should be a double bond between two carbon atoms. So first example is obviously ethene. Now you people know eth means two carbon atoms and ene is the suffix for alkenes. So first member of alkene series or group is ethene. Count the number of carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms to get molecular formula. Yes, it is C4, C2H4. Let us discuss second member. Here also you can see presence of double bond between at least two carbon atoms. Name of this alkene would be propene. Prop means presence of three carbon atoms and ene is the suffix for alkenes. Molecular formula would be C3H6 as there are 3 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Now let us talk about third member of alkene group. Again you can see presence of double bond in between two carbon atoms in the structure. Name is butene as there are 4 carbon atoms and ene is the suffix for alkenes. Count number of carbon and hydrogen atoms. Yes, it is 4 carbon atoms and 8 hydrogen atoms. So molecular formula would be C4H8. Next member is pentene and molecular formula is C5H10. You must be thinking, can there be presence of more number of pairs of carbon atoms having double bonds in one structure or in one compound? Then yes. But since this is our beginning of the study of carbon compounds, we have considered only simple structures or simple compounds having one pair of carbon atoms having double bonds in the structure. Now observe the pattern in molecular formula of first five members of alkene series. Just in a glance, you can tell me what will be the general formula for alkene series. Yes, correct. It is CnH2n. N means number of carbon atoms. Whatever number of carbon atoms are there, exactly double the number of hydrogen atoms are present in the structure of alkenes. Second type of unsaturated open chain hydrocarbons is alkynes. Here in these unsaturated open chain hydrocarbons, you can see presence of triple bond in between two carbon atoms. First member of alkyne series is ethine. Eth means two carbon atoms and YNE is the suffix for alkynes. Molecular formula is C2H2 as there are two carbon atoms and two hydrogen atoms present in the structure. Second member is propyne. Prop means three carbon atoms and YNE is the suffix for alkyne series. Molecular formula would be C3H4, right? Third member is butane and molecular formula is C4H. Just count how many what is the number of hydrogen atoms present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So C4H6. Here also we have considered simple structures or compounds having only one triple bond present in between two carbon atoms in the entire structure. Now look at the molecular formula of first three members of alkyne series. You can find some pattern here. You can easily understand that number of hydrogen atoms are 2 less than double the number of carbon atoms. Let us consider the example of propyne. Propyne's molecular formula is C3H4. Number of carbon atoms 3. So double the number of carbon atoms is 6 and 2 less than it means 4. 4 carbon atoms are present in the structure of propyne. So general formula for alkyne series would be CnH2n minus 2. You might be wondering about the names saturated and unsaturated given to hydrocarbons. Let us see the reason behind this. All of you know that in saturated hydrocarbons, there is a presence of only single bonds in the entire structure. Let us take the example of methane. They are called as saturated hydrocarbons because each carbon atom is bonded to as many hydrogen atoms as possible. Means what? All of you know electronic configuration of carbon is 2,4. It needs 4 more electrons to make second shell as completely filled shell and to get stability. So it will share its 4 electrons with 4 other atoms of hydrogen and no more atoms of hydrogen can be added here. So this is called as saturated hydrocarbon. And in unsaturated hydrocarbons, there is a presence of double and triple bonds, right? In unsaturated hydrocarbons, more number of hydrogen atoms may be added to the structure to make it saturated by addition reactions in which double bonds or triple bonds can be broken and more number of hydrogen atoms can be accommodated in the structure, hence the name unsaturated hydrocarbons.